हरिः कन्ना।
Now let's explore one more plot. So this time we are going to look into error bar plot. So it uses error bar method of x comma y error x error. So an error bar is line through a point on a graph parallel to one of the axes, which represents the uncertainty or variation of the corresponding coordinate points. So in IB biology, the error bars most often represents the standard deviation of a data set. So but why do we need to include error bars on a graph? Error bars can communicate the main information about your data, such as how spread the data are around the mean value. So if you see that on the screen, a small if you see that on screen a small error bar, so this small error bar mean low spread, so data are clumped around the mean. A larger error bar, you see that this one, mean larger spread, so data are more variable from the mean. So the reliability of the mean value as a representative number of the data set. So in other words, how accurately the mean value represent the data. So the small error bar more reliable, so larger error bar less reliable. So it's important to note that just because you have a larger standard deviation, it does not indicate your data is not valid. So biological measurements are not notoriously variable. So and the third one, the likelihood of there being a significant difference between data sets is also possible. So let's make one a plot of error bar now. Error bar of x comma y r and x r. Okay, let's make a plot first. For that we need to take x, y, and then y error. Let me bring down this information. Yep. So let's make the data. As usual, I'll take np dot random and I'll set up the seed first. Yeah, done. So then after that, x value is, we'll take the very simple one. X is equals to 2 comma 4 comma 6, a simple sequence, and y is equals to another simple sequence, 3 point sorry 3.6 comma 5 comma 4.2. So this is our x comma y. So now I'm going to take y r is equals to 0.9, 1.2 and 0.5. That's it. This is our x y r. So now it's time to plot. Let's plot. So as usual, fig comma x is equals to plt dot subplots. Yeah, this is our subplot which is ready. So now it's time to add an x-axis and y-axis arrays to it. So x dot, and I'm going to check error bar method, and inside that x comma y comma, I'll check the y error, and format 0 or 0, and line width is 2, and cap size is 6. So let me execute, and see there is an error. Okay, what's that? 0 is not valid format string. Okay, got it. This is not a format string, and here is your plots, but these are going beyond the subplot on our canvas. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up the limits, and simple, we'll copy and paste the previous limits. That's more than enough, and we'll do the required adjustments to the respective plot. Here is that x limit is 0 to 8, x ticks is 1 comma 8, and y limit is 0 comma 8, and y ticks is 1 comma 8, and plot. And here is the picture. That's it. And the one with lower standard deviation, the smaller st bar, this is lower standard deviation bar, and this is higher standard deviation bar, and this is medium standard deviation bar.